Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick how-to on setting up the Homelink in your Tesla. This is in a Model S specifically, but this will work on the 3, the Y, the X, and Cybertruck. Same idea, so stick with us. Okay guys, you're going to need your original remote. We'll have that handy, and then we're going to go to the menu here, and you see that little icon right there? Looks like a garage. That will be present if you have a Model S, X, and most Cybertrucks. So some Model Ys and 3s, if you had the Homelink module installed, will have it as well. So you'll need that hardware on those two vehicles. So we're going to go ahead and click that, create Homelink. I'm going to name mine Home, and then we're going to do standard mode. And then right here is what it's telling you we need to do. You need to have your garage remote, which we do. Park in front of the garage door, which we are. Gonna hit start. So stand in front of the car and point the remote at the bumper, and we're gonna hold that button. So let's go out and do that. All right guys, we're gonna hold the button down until we see the lights flash. See them flash right there? So now we're good to go back into the car. You want to leave the door open so it doesn't reset the process. So we'll come in here, and now we're gonna hit continue. So now we have to go in to our garage door opener inside the garage and do the learn button. So let's go ahead and do that quick. So guys, I have a Chamberlain drive here. So right here is your learn button. Push that and the little LED lights up. So now we're gonna head back to the car. Training is complete, guys. We're gonna hit continue. We'll save. Now we're gonna click it and see if it works. And there it is. Alright guys, that was just a quick how-to on setting up the Homelink. Sometimes it's easier than reading the screens and reading the manual, so hope that helped you guys out a little bit. If you guys are interested in more Tesla content, please like and subscribe. Have a good one.